Hi, I'm Jay, and often we get questions about, hey, what is this particular component that's attached to my furnace? So we're going to kind of do a little overview on our demonstration unit. We have all GeneralAire equipment attached to this unit right now, so let's kind of talk about it. First of all, we'll talk about the ductwork. This happens to be the return air ductwork. It takes the air from your home, it sucks the air down this duct, it makes a turn, goes through the air cleaner into the furnace, gets heated. In the summertime, it would get cooled by this section here. There's a cooling coil in here that kind of looks like a radiator. Then the air would blow up through the supply plenum here and then back into your home. Now, some of the accessories we have here. Right here we have a duct-mounted digital humidistat. This happens to be a GeneralAire water saver, which cycles the water on and off to the humidifier, and it's used to save water. This has a UV system in it that is in the return air duct. This can also be up in the supply plenum. This is another, up in here is another common place where they'll put these. This one, again, is in the return air duct. This is a GeneralAire electronic air cleaner. GeneralAire also makes media-style air cleaners. They kind of look the same, except there's no on-off switch to them. But they would go basically here, mounted next to the furnace. Then you have your furnace, of course. This is the flue pipe. Over on this side, we have a supply plenum mounted bypass style humidifier. And there's drain piping from the humidifier as well as from the air conditioner here. And the other thing we have down here in the corner here is a small condensate pump. That is an accessory that many people don't have, but if you have one, it's typically mounted near the furnace like this. That's about it for all the common types of bits and pieces that are typically attached to a modern day furnace. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.